Let's talk about AP catalytic converters. I see this question pop up a lot. Are they actually worth it, or are you just signing up for a pile of headaches? Here's the thing. Emissions regulations aren't going anywhere, so you have to pick your battles. A lot of people hit the same pain point right away: price. An AP catalytic converter will usually run you 30 to 50% less than an OEM part. That sounds great until you start wondering if you're trading quality for savings. Is it a shortcut or just the smart move? Where AP shines is in the variety. Walk into any auto parts store or dig around online and they have seemingly every application under the sun. Honda, Toyota, Subaru, you name it, they've got it. For older cars, this is nearly a lifeline. I've seen friends up here in Portland struggle after their converter gets stolen overnight. Seems like a rite of passage now. Local shops swear by AP for quick, affordable replacements that pass DEQ. Nobody wants to spend $2,000 when $500 will do the trick. But here's the catch. Emissions testing can be picky, and not all aftermarket cats are created equal. If you're living in a state like California, hooray for CARB rules, some AP models won't cut it. Always double-check labeling and certifications on the box. Installation is more forgiving than with certain other brands. Most AP catalytic converters come with the right flanges and hardware, so you aren't stuck fabricating weld points in your driveway. It still helps to have a buddy or a lift. Pro tip: reward yourself with pizza after. Visibility online is massive. You'll find a wall of reviews, usually falling into two camps: perfect fit, passed emissions, car is happy, or lasted 6 months, threw a check engine light, won't pass emissions. The split seems to fall at about an 80-20 ratio for happy endings. Here's something a lot of folks skip: warranty details. AP offers up to 5 years or 50,000 miles, which is double or triple what the bargain bin brands offer. If you're racking up miles or plan on keeping your car for a while, this is a big deal statistically. Another complaint I see is shipping damage. It's more rare, but opening the box and finding a dented or crushed unit is the sort of Monday no one needs. Always inspect your delivery before you take it to the shop. Saves a return trip and a lot of cursing. Sound and performance, everyone always asks. You might notice a slight change in exhaust tone, usually a little raspier. Horsepower isn't going to move, but you might gain 1 to 2 mpg if your old cat was totally clogged. Basically, don't expect a hot rod, just a functioning car. If you're worried about rust and longevity, the general consensus is that AP cats are built for average use, not heavy salt exposure or intense off-roading. If you live somewhere with brutal winters, spray a little extra coating on the welds. Little things go a long way here. When you add it all up, AP catalytic converters really come down to value and convenience for the 80% crowd. You save hundreds, installation is generally smooth, and emissions tests go off without drama for most folks. Not perfect, but a solid B+ in a world of D- alternatives.